The number one killer on the planet is heart disease. What makes heart disease so deadly is the progressive buildup of plaque in the arteries, which narrows the inner walls, restricting and ultimately blocking the flow of blood. Arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen-rich blood from the heart to different tissues in the body. When plaque builds up and blood flow becomes inhibited, these clogged or blocked arteries can lead to more serious problems such as heart attack, stroke and other cardiovascular diseases. So what can you do to keep your arteries healthy and free of blockage? Food can be used as a natural remedy to regress blockage and prevent further damage to your arteries. In this video we'll be sharing the top 10 of the best foods you can eat to free your arteries of buildup. Food number 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. They are high in fiber, healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, including calcium and magnesium. In addition to being highly nutritious, flax seeds may help prevent atherosclerosis. One study found that rabbits that ate flaxseed after a high cholesterol diet experienced a 40% reduction in plaque formation compared with animals that did not eat flax seeds. Flax seeds contain sacchoisolarisuresinol diglucoside, an anti-inflammatory and cholesterol-lowering lignin compound whose properties counter atherosclerosis. Food number 2. Berries. Berries include blueberries, strawberries, cranberries, raspberries, and blackberries. These fruits are associated with an impressive amount of health benefits, including their ability to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Berries are packed with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. These include flavonoid antioxidants, which are known to help boost heart health. Food number 3. Onions. Onions are part of the allium genus and linked to a number of health benefits. Research has shown that a diet rich in these popular veggies may protect the arteries. A 15-year study that followed 1,226 women ages 70 and older found that a higher intake of allium vegetables, like onions, was associated with a lower risk of death related to disease caused by atherosclerosis. Onions contain sulfur compounds that scientists think may help prevent blood vessel inflammation, inhibit the clumping together of platelets in the blood. Food number 4. Broccoli. Broccoli can prevent artery clogging because it is loaded with vitamin K, which prevents calcium from damaging the arteries. Broccoli also prevents cholesterol oxidation and is full of fiber, which lowers blood pressure and reduces stress. Stress can lead to tearing and plaque buildup of arterial walls. These little trees also contain sulforaphane, which helps the body use protein to prevent plaque buildup in the arteries. Food number 5. Oats. Oats are an excellent choice for those who have atherosclerosis or are trying to prevent clogged arteries. Eating oats can help significantly reduce atherosclerosis risk factors, including high levels of total and LDL, bad, cholesterol. Oats also contain antioxidants called avenanthramides, which may help inhibit inflammatory proteins, called cytokines, as well as adhesion molecules. This may help prevent atherosclerosis. Food number 6. Turmeric. The main component of this spice is curcumin, which is a power anti-inflammatory. Inflammation is a major cause of arteriosclerosis, or the hardening of the arteries. Turmeric also reduces the damage to arterial walls, which can cause blood clots and plaque buildup. Turmeric also contains vitamin B6, which helps to maintain healthy levels of homocysteine, which can cause plaque buildup and blood vessel damage in excess amounts. Food number 7. Leafy greens. Leafy greens, including lettuces, kale, arugula, Swiss chard, and spinach, offer an abundance of nutrients that may help protect against atherosclerosis. Green leafy vegetables are a good source of dietary nitrates, which can help improve blood vessel function and reduce inflammation. They're also packed with potassium. This mineral helps prevent vascular calcification, a process that contributes to atherosclerosis. Food number 8. Olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated oleic acid, an essential fatty acid that lowers bad cholesterol and raises good cholesterol. Rich in antioxidants, it is one of the healthiest oils to use in cooking or for dressings. Use olive oil instead of butter and drizzle over salad or pasta. Food number 9. Asparagus. Asparagus is one of the best foods to cleanse your arteries. Full of fiber and minerals, it helps lower blood pressure and prevent blood clots that can lead to serious cardiovascular illness. It works within the veins and arteries to alleviate inflammation that may have accumulated over time. It boosts the body's production of glutathione, an antioxidant that fights inflammation, and prevents damaging oxidation that causes clogged or blocked arteries. It also contains alpha-linoleic acid and folic acid, which prevent hardening of the arteries. Food number 10. Nuts. Instead of reaching for the cookie jar, try a healthier alternative, the nuts. Almonds are the best choice because they are high in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, fiber and protein. The magnesium in almonds also prevents plaque formation and lowers blood pressure. Walnuts are another good source of omega-3 fatty acid, which will reduce bad cholesterol and raise good cholesterol levels, which in turn lowers the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries. Making these changes to your diet can improve your overall health, and prevent your arteries from blockage. Luckily, these options are delicious and provide endless opportunities for new recipes and creativity. Until next time, happy healing! Thanks for watching today's video. If you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Please, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more videos.